Hi everybody, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I need a new look, so I have in my imagination a hair unit, a wig hair unit that I want to make. I am going to take on the challenge of doing color unlike anything I have ever done before. I hope that you guys will like it once you see how I make this hair unit. Relax, enjoy, and let me know what you think in the comments. daughter tells me that the trends are color, and so I've got to follow the trends and do what the young folk are doing. So more of you will come to my channel and see what I'm doing. I hope that you like how I made this wig hair unit from my grab bag of hair pieces. If you'd like to see the transformation of my makeup, just click on the short video that shows you how I achieved this look. Thanks everybody for joining me. Please like, subscribe, tell others, and most of all, come back to Miss Lola's Hair and More to see what I'm doing now. Take care, everybody. I love you, and I thank you so much for supporting me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.